The 2025 Audi A7 Sportback is projected to combine performance, luxury, and modern technology, building on Audi's tradition of manufacturing high-quality, sporty sedans. Here's a more detailed look based on current trends and past models. The A7 Sportback has a striking, athletic attitude with a tall hood, sweeping lines, and a fastback roofline for better aerodynamics. Expect a wide, muscular front grille, sculpted side panels, and sleek LED headlights that could include Audi's distinctive daytime running lights. The rear usually has a small lip spoiler and dramatic LED taillights. The cabin is designed to be luxurious and comfortable, using high-quality materials including leather, wood, and metal accents. Expect a driver-focused layout with adjustable ambient lighting and ergonomic seating. The introduction of dual-screen technology in the infotainment system improves the clean appearance while providing straightforward controls. Audi normally offers several engine options, including a turbocharged V6 with 335 to 350 horsepower. Then there's the V8 in higher trim levels or the RS model, which may produce more than 500 horsepower. And mild hybrid technology improves efficiency and performance, resulting in higher fuel economy and smoother acceleration. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is predicted, with rapid and smooth shifts. Adaptive air suspension may be available, allowing drivers to choose between comfort and performance modes while modifying ride height and stiffness. The A7 Sportback is frequently offered with a variety of safety and driver aid features, including as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and parking assistance. MMI infotainment systems typically incorporate navigation, smartphone integration, and speech recognition capabilities. Higher trims may include a larger touchscreen and better connectivity options. The adoption of hybrid technology is projected to increase fuel efficiency in the A7 Sportback, particularly in urban driving circumstances. Depending on the engine, expect a combined fuel economy of the mid to upper 20s. The A7 is available in several trims, including Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige, each with varying levels of luxury and technology amenities. An RS7 variant could be offered, with performance upgrades, sport-tuned suspension, and aggressive design. The 2025 Audi A7 Sportback includes a complete suite of safety measures to safeguard you and your passengers in the event of an accident. Some of the important safety features are airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, Audi Presense safety system, collision avoidance and pedestrian recognition, night vision aid, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The A7 Sportback starts about $70,000, with higher trims and more options putting it well into the $90,000 plus range.
Thanks for watching.